In September, visibility of the galactic center of the Milky Way in both hemispheres becomes shorter and shorter until it's no longer visible in November. You can also capture the zodiacal light. In the northern hemisphere, it's visible to the east, before the morning astronomical twilight, in the direction of the sunrise. On the other hand, in the southern hemisphere it's visible to the west, of the afternoon astronomical twilight, in the direction of the sunset. Moreover, this month marks a change of season. From summer to fall in the northern hemisphere and from winter to spring in the southern hemisphere. Now here you have most important celestial events happening in September 2021. September 1st. Orgids meteor shower. The Orgids will be active from August 28 to September 5, peaking around September 1st. The radiant of Orgid meteor shower lies in constellation of Auriga. The shower won't be visible before midnight and will produce up to 6 meteors at its peak. Look for the shooting stars a little away from radiant under perfectly dark skies. The shower will peak close to new moon, and hence moon will present minimal interference. September 2nd. Mercury at its highest point. Mercury will reach its highest point in evening sky in its August-September evening apparition. It will shine brightly at Mag 0.1 in Virgo constellation in the west around sunset. However, it won't be easy to locate the planet because of the daylight. The space apps given in the description will help you locate all the planets easily. September 7th. New moon. The moon is between Earth and Sun, so the bright side of the moon is facing away from the Earth. The moon phase is 0% at 0 hours, 53 minutes AUK. The days around the new moon are great for photographing the night sky. In October the galactic center of the Milky Way is visible. You can also capture star trails. September 8th, conjunction of the Moon and Mercury. Mercury passes at 6.3 degrees south of the Moon at 2018 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -9.3, and Jupiter at a magnitude of 0.0. At this time the Moon phase is 4.3%. September 10th, conjunction of the Moon and Venus. Venus passes at 4.0 degrees south of the Moon at 2:08 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -10.4, and Venus at a magnitude of -4.1. At this time the Moon phase is 11.8%. September 13th, Mercury at greatest eastern elongation. When Mercury reaches its greatest elongation at 21:44 UTC, it's located 26.8 degrees east of the Sun, and it's shining at a magnitude of 0.1. Mercury's orbit is closer to the Sun than that of the Earth, which means that it always appears close to the Sun and is faded because of the Sun's brightness most of the time. You can only observe it for a few days each time it reaches its greatest separation from the Sun. Greatest elongation. This phenomenon repeats itself approximately once every 3 to 4 months and occurs alternately during the morning or afternoon, depending on whether Mercury is to the east or west of the Sun. When it's located east of the Sun, it rises and sets just after the Sun, and it's visible during the sunset. The best time to photograph Mercury is shortly after sunset. September 14th, Neptune at opposition. At 9:06 AUK, Neptune is at its closest approach to Earth and its visible face is completely illuminated by Sun at a magnitude of 7.8. It's brighter than at any other time of the year and is visible throughout the night. This is best time to observe and photograph Neptune. However, even being at its closest approach to the Earth, you can only distinguish Neptune as a star-shaped spot of light with naked eye. Use a telescope to see the planet. September 17th, conjunction of the Moon and Saturn. Saturn passes at 3.5 degrees north of Moon at 2:33 AUK. The Moon is at magnitude of -12.5, Saturn at a magnitude of 0.2. At this time Moon phase is 83.4%. September 18th, conjunction of the Moon and Jupiter. Jupiter passes at 3.6 degrees north of the Moon at 6:54 UTC. The Moon is at magnitude of -12.6, and Jupiter at a magnitude of -2.8. At this time moon phase is 91.8%. September 21st, full moon. The moon is on opposite side of Earth, so sun illuminates it completely. Full moon is at 23:56 UTC. Full moon days are perfect for photographing it with an interesting subject. September 22nd, September equinox. The September equinox is at 19:06 UTC. This is also first fall day, also known as fall equinox in Northern Hemisphere, and first spring day, also known as spring equinox in Southern Hemisphere.